This is a different way to pull the engine. Car lift. Well, good evening to you all. It's Monday, October the 20th, and it wouldn't be a Monday night if it wasn't wash night. Washing the truck now. We get her all cleaned up. Once the store closes, the cars get out of the parking lot, we'll drag the trailer over here. Get it washed up and tucked away for the winter so we can start knocking out our to-do list on them. And it's not as big as last year, but that there is from 2 weekends on the road with the air conditioners running. All the dust settles on the roof and the water just washes it down the backside. Oh, it's never ending. Never ending. This is a different way to pull the engine. Car lift.
Mop bucket over by what there? There's a mop bucket right by Cooper's tenant right. Yeah. Right. Hold back. Yeah. So there's one that's like super short.
Well, if there's one constant around here, it's change. I think this is about the 4th time we've changed this motor. Took it out of that car, put it in this car, out of this car, in that car, going back in this car. Old Faithful. That's the pile of stuff out of the Longhorn that came off Faithful. It's got to go back in Faithful. Thought we were done for the year. That's why we got the hauler all cleaned up, outside of it put away so we could start our winter to-do list. Daryn came to me Wednesday of last week and said he needs to come out next couple nights in the next 2 weeks. We got to get all that stuff out of the Longhorn and put back in Old Faithful XR1 because we are racing next Saturday, November 8th, at the Fall Frost, 5,000 to win at Peevely. So if you're in the St. Louis area, you can come out and check it out. It's also the same weekend as World Finals, but Should be a good group of cars from the Midwest there. So that's why we're rushing to get this car back together so we can go racing one more time.
Working on race cars, got Mickey Mouse Clubhouse on, World Series. Swapping battery boxes always suck. Did it go?
Get it back there. Oh, it's too short. You're in.
Got the motor set in, transmission, drive shaft in, getting the radiator in it, start on the oil lines.
I can see it too.
Making progress. Batteries in it, drive lines in it, all the oil systems in it, radiators in it.
What we got going on here?
She's about ready to fire. That's,
Oh, they took that.
I had to take that one off the other car because this one has the bigger ends on it. Because it's got the new battery has the bigger bolts.
Is this ours or his?
Well, the video ended kind of abruptly. It was about 8:30 when we left there. Doug and Max and Dave went out there Thursday night, got the motor fired up, made sure everything was good. I was not able to go due to having commitments with my kids. Daryn put the body on it. It is close to being ready to go. I think the plan is to go out and load it up Monday or Tuesday night. There is a practice night for us Thursday night at Peevely. We plan on taking it to. So if you're in the St. Louis area and you're looking for something to do next Saturday night, November the 8th, come on out to the Fall Frost at Peevely, $5,000 to win. If you don't follow Federated Auto Parts Raceway on Facebook, go and do that. They are announcing several drivers in the past week that are planning on coming. Bob Gardner will be there. They are saying Blair Nodorf will be there, which is quite the haul for him. But thanks for watching. Hope you're enjoying the content. This will be our last race for the year. We are not going to the Dome. So there'll be plenty of videos coming up. I believe the other Rocket is sold. Not 100% sure about that. Got to get the Longhorn put back together so it can go back to Matt. We thank Matt Santel for letting Daryn drive that. But we will catch you all later. Hit that thumbs up button. Drop us a comment. Let us know what you think. We will catch you all next week.